When Kinsan from Asian Inspirations comes to my kitchen, we know it's going to be good. What are you making?
I'm making for Japanese karaage. Karaage means fried chicken. So that's why Japanese one using soy sauce.
Yum.
Then sake and ginger and garlic. The marinade first. That's why for taste is already inside.
So much flavour in
That's
the
right,
chicken.
yes.
Now you're going to start with the cutting the chicken,
Yes.
and I'm going to make a quick marinade for the chicken to
Okay.
get all that flavour. So you've got soy sauce, so that goes in, and then we've got some ginger and garlic. Yum. And then the egg as well.
Yes.
Beautiful. Now you're using chicken thigh because it's nice and tender.
Yep.
Yeah. Beautiful. And then some cooking sake. How much cooking sake?
Cooking sake is maybe 30% for soy sauce.
30%.
About soy sauce, you 100, maybe 30 ml is okay.
Like that?
Yep.
Maybe a little splash just for good luck.
Yep.
Now, I hear a little rumour that you, every year, cook for someone very important on their birthday.
Yeah.
Who is it?
Sometimes for every year, so I'm cooking for Japanese emperor's birthday party, and lots of actor and lots of people is cooking before.
That's a lot of pressure, Kinsan. So chicken goes in. What do you cook for them?
Depends. For sometimes Japanese, sometimes for different fusion style one, or like modern Australian.
Well, next time I have a birthday, I'll come
good
and
idea.
find you, all right? All right, so the chicken you want to marinate.
Yeah, chicken is marinade.
Now, is it best to leave this for a long time?
About 30 minutes is
30
good.
minutes,
Yeah.
beautiful. But we don't have 30 minutes because I'm hungry and I just want to eat the karaage.
Okay.
Okay. And then this one here is
Yeah, potato starch
Potato
or corn
starch.
flour.
Beautiful.
Doesn't matter. Yep. Oil is heat up for about 165 or like a little bit low temperature first.
so lower than usual.
Yeah.
Yep.
Then cooking fast about 1 minute. Then keep here
Yep.
1 minute to 2 minutes.
Yes.
Then heat up for oil and
Yeah.
high temperature about 185.
And then back in.
Back in. And then crispy outside, inside juicy.
I did not know this.
Yeah,
There you go.
this one's good.
I've learnt something.
Okay.
I like it. So a double fry for the perfect
Double fry is best.
crispy karaage.
Exactly.
Beautiful. And the best way to gauge it at home is to obviously have a little thermometer so they can put the thermometer into the oil and make sure it's perfect temperature.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Because same as like a meat too. Because for when I was cooking for meat
Yes.
and the duck,
Yep.
everything for less.
Yes.
Yeah, less meat for inside juice is inside.
Correct. It's always
Then-
important to rest.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Like this.
Beautiful. So the chicken goes in. We'll do our first fry. Take it out. Let it rest.
Yes.
Turn the oil up to about 180 and then
Yeah.
go hard and fast again. We'll come back and then we're going to serve it with the perfect condiment.
Yes. Now is for first time cooking for chicken already inside juicy.
Seal the outside.
Like
Make
this.
sure the chicken is cooked on the inside. And the second cook is to get it super crispy.
Yeah, on the outside.
Ooh. Now, while you're doing that, I'm just gonna talk about the Kewpie mayonnaise. Now, everyone loves Kewpie. It is 100% Australia's #1 condiment in their pantry. If I go into someone's household, I'm sure they've always got Kewpie on hand. Now, this is one of my favorites.
Wasabi.
The wasabi flavored one. And the best thing about Kewpie mayonnaise, I don't think
Yep.
a lot of people know this, Kinsan, is that it's only made with egg yolks, and that's what gives it that super, super creamy mayonnaise texture and makes it the best mayonnaise in the world. So we're gonna go a good amount of that.
Wow.
Lots. You need lots of Kewpie with the karaage.
Yes.
And then you've also got some tonkatsu on the side, just in case people want a different dipping sauce, but for me, Kewpie rules. It's the only way to eat it. Now, you're not gonna add any salt because you've got that soy sauce that was on the chicken already,
Exactly.
so it's already salty. While you plate, I will try.
So very good snack for kids. If you like for hot taste, I think this wasabi mayonnaise is the best. And
So crispy,
yes,
so juicy, so creamy from that beautiful mayonnaise.
yep.
Kinsan, that is the quickest little snack for the kids. For when you got people over, party food, little piece of chicken, beautiful
Good
mayonnaise.
idea.
How good's Kewpie? The best. Thanks, Kinsan.